Hey there, Mignonette Bailey here with your down and dirty garden tip. My garden question for you today is, where are you growing? This question is so important. Before you just jump in and start gardening, you want to set yourself up for success by planting in the best area. Ideally, you want to be in a southwest facing area so that your garden gets maximum sunlight. Most vegetables and fruits need 6 to 8 hours of sun every single day. So don't skip this step. I definitely remember being an eager beginning gardener and just throwing things anywhere and hoping for the best. And obviously I didn't get the results that I was looking for. So make sure that you are gardening in the right growing space. If this gardening tip is helpful, sign up for one of my gardening classes on Amphy.